Remember this one. You require to do only highest result activities where you are going to feel to joy to do those activities. You should work. You should spend your time in productivity zone. I told right, drip matrix. Productivity zone. You require to spend your time. You require to spend your time in your ikigai. Success is not about doing more work. Are you full busy morning evening? But at the end, what you achieved is nothing. వెనకడ ఒక సామెత ఉంటుంది. వండర్ఫుల్ సేయింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. కొండన తవ్వి
ఎలుకను పట్టినాడు.
ఎలుకను పట్టట. కొండను తవ్వి ఎలుకను పట్టాడంట. వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్స్? కొండను తవ్వి ఎలుకను పట్టాడు. దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ పర్సన్ who dig the well, dig the big hill is there. Keep on digging that hill. At last, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years he worked. At last, what he achieved is a small mouse he cut. కొండను తవ్వి ఎలుకను పట్టడం అంటే ఇదే. అందుకే గుడ్డెద్దు చేలో పడ్డట్టుగా పనులు చేయొద్దు. కొండను తవ్వి ఎలుకను పట్టొద్దు. నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు, దమ్ముడి ఆదాయం లేదు, ఇట్లా ఉండొద్దు. వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్స్ ఈస్ డోంట్ డూ ఎవ్రీ యాక్టివిటీ. Which activities will provide highest results? You require to concentrate only on those activities. Okay? No one has time to do everything. No one has time to do everything. But everyone has time to do important things. Your ikigai, productive things, everyone has the time to do. Simple point, man. If you can think, if you can apply really this one, your life is going to be simplified like anything. You will get peace of mind. Okay? You may lose some money. That money also, you are getting 100. In that 100%, what you are getting, just 5% use for delegation. Just a 5% use for delegation. How much peace of mind you are going to get? How much free time you are going to get? How many things you can do that? That is the approach you require to follow. You require to shift your mindset towards that. So every time while doing activities, be selfish. Be selfish. Okay? Something like what is the use I'm going to get because of this activity? Am I getting more benefit or not? Am I getting more benefit or not? No. If you are not getting more benefit, why you have to do that activity? Am I getting more happiness in doing this activity at least? No. Your energy is draining, you are not going to get anything. Then what is the need of doing that activity, man? Check that. Compulsory question that activity. Can I remove this activity or can I delegate this activity? If both the things are not possible, then only you require to think about doing that activity. Remember that even in your zone of genius also, someone is going to do that. You are not required to do that. You are not required to do that. Someone is going to do that. Then you are not required to do that. Remember carefully. That is the most important point, right? Okay? So if you don't choose your work, your work will choose your life. Your work is going to choose your life.